my name is Anoushka. I'm 10 years old, and in this video you'll be learning about place value. Let's get started. So here I've written this chart. This is the ones column, this is the tens column, this is the hundreds column, this is the thousands column, this is the 10,000s column, this is the 100,000s column, and this is the millions column. Now, here's something that you really need to remember. When you read a book, you start from the left side and you go to the right side, left to right. But with place value, it's different. The smallest place value is on the right side, the biggest one is on the left side. So left, right to left, right to left. Don't ever forget that. Right to left. Now, here I've written this number, 765431. Now, we're just going to copy the digits of this number into this chart. So 1, start from the right side. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, and 7, 7. Just copying it. It's simple. So now we're going to, this is the ones columns, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. Don't forget that. Now, these digits are only the first number of one big number. Most of them are one big number. So this 7 represents 7 million. So 7, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This 7 is the first digit of this big number. So 7 million. The 7 represents the million. This 6 represents 600,000. That's why it's in the 100,000 column. 6, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. It's the first digit of this big number. 600,000. Now, this 5 represents 50,000. It's the first digit of that number. So 50000. It's the first digit of 50,000. This number is 4, and it represents 4,000. So 40000. 40000. Yeah. It represents 4,000. That's why it's the first digit, and that's why it's in the thousands column. This number represents 300. So 300 represents the first. It's the first digit of 300. Now, this 2 represents 20. So 20. That's why it's in the tens column. And this 1 doesn't have any other digits. 1 is the only digit. So that's why it's in the ones column. Now, let's try and say this number. Well, before you say the number, it's a little different when you pronounce it. You don't say 7654321. I'm going to circle it, and that's what you're going to say. So 7 is said on its own. 654 are said together. And 321 are also said together. So 7,654,321. So that's how you say it. Now, I'm going to teach you a little trick. If you know the place values by heart, then you do not need to use this chart. You can use a punctuation mark instead. And this punctuation mark are commas. So every 3 digits, there's a comma. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, there's a comma here. And 1, 2, 3, there's another comma here. Since there's only 1 digit left, there's not going to be another comma in this number. Now, the commas start from the right side, and they end on the left side. So you've got to start here, and then you end somewhere on the left side. you can't just place the commas anywhere. You've got to start with the farthest right digit and count from there. So 1, 2, 3, and there's a comma here, and 1, 2, 3. There's another comma here. And now we're going to do something else. I'm going to write a number, and you are going to tell me the place value. So let's say I'm just going to write 9, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's just do that actually. Yeah, let's do that. So, you know, I'm going to change this number because we just had a similar number. I'm going to do 9, 8, 7, 3, 2, 5, 4. Yeah, that's a good number. Now, what is the place value of this 9? I'm going to circle the 9. What is the place value of this 9? Now, if you don't know the place values by heart, it's totally okay. Just use the chart. So we're going to copy it from right to left. So the 4 goes here, the 5 goes here, the 2 goes here, the 3 goes here, the 7 goes here, the 8 goes here, and the 9 goes here. So if you look, the 9 is in the millions column, right? So the 9 is in the millions column. So that means the 9 represents 9 million. Now let's do another one. I'm going to write the number. Let's do 5, 3, 2, 1, 9, 6, 7. Yeah, that's a good number as well. Now, I'm going to ask again, what does this 9 represent? Well, this time we're not going to use the chart. We're going to use commas. So, every 3 digits, there's a comma. So, we start from the right side. The first digit on the right side. So, 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. So, one way to identify the place values without using the chart and just using commas is that the first digit, this digit here, is the ones place. This is the tens place, and you know that because if you cover these other numbers, that's just 67. So this is 60, and 60 is a 10, and that's 7. Now, if you cover these, what number is this? This is 967. So 900 is 167. So this is the 9. What does the 9 represent? What does this circled number represent? Well, we just did it. It represents 900. So there you go. This 9 represents 900. And thank you for watching this place value video. I hope you learned a lot, and thank you for watching.